Sanjiv Bhasin. He's the Executive Vice President for Markets at IIFL, joins us right now on the show. Sanjiv, good having you. As always, good having you. Thanks so much for joining in. I want to start off with these lenders. Sanjiv, if I can humor you there. Day before yesterday, on Friday, Rashesh Shah spoke about how the credit in the system has to move up. He doesn't foresee 18-20% CAGR for almost all players, MSME lenders, micro lenders, etc. to continue. The commentary from Equitas was of a growth of 30-35% for the next 5 years. Down today though, because of a potential possible impact of a loan waiver in Karnataka is Ujjivan. What are your thoughts here? Some of these SFBs and small lenders.
Yeah, so good afternoon. So Neeraj, there will be opinion all over the place because the markets have been defying a wall of worry, that is oil, bond yields and the rupee. And most will be pessimistic because they missed the rally again from 10,000. It's been sharp. Coming to microfinance lenders, I think they are in a very sweet spot. They've weathered the storm of demonetization and some of the farm waiver on UP and others quite well. And if you see the numbers of Equitas, they were standout. The book, aside from the microfinance, has grown 53%, and they are very confident of maintaining higher NIMs, and it has become a scheduled bank. So we are extremely positive on Ujjivan and Equitas, and any decline should be a buying opportunity. And we are not talking of 30-40% upside. I would say in the next 2 years, these are doublers from here. Given that their transition from microfinance into scheduled banks, and you've seen how the change in environment took a Bharat Financial from 300 rupees to 1,000, and now it's been taken over by IndusInd Bank. So in the end, if you have to grow, you need more deeper financial inclusion and so on. And I think both these are very well managed companies. So for us, both these are good buys on declines, but keep a longer term window, because in the short run you will have state elections every 3 months, and that doesn't mean that they become sells just because of a brokerage target.
Sanjeev, so give me the long-term picture here. If a company like Equitas is saying that it will grow its book 35% year on year for the next 5 years at least, looking at the valuations that Equitas may be trading at and looking at the price currently, if it manages to do that up till FY23 from the current FY19 numbers, what could potentially happen to a stock like Equitas?
Well, we'll talk about the 5 years, but in 2 years you will get a doubler. Look at that AU Finance. It has come out with steady numbers. It is again a very good, strong franchise in Rajasthan. It trades at 4.5 times price to book. Bandhan Bank came with almost 4 times price to book. And these Equitas and Ujjivan trade at 2.5 times. So, you take a multiple when you take the reach. And secondly, you look at their transition. They've gone through a lot of pain in the last 3-4 quarters for cleansing their book, and they've been very, very prudent. They've not tried to disguise any of their book. It's been a very, very transparent performance. And like I said, that's what I'm saying. These are don't miss the woods for the trees. These are the stocks which can actually give you a bang for the buck. I would be relatively saying that this is in 2 years a doubler from here.